Imagine walking into your practice with the confidence of a true master injector. Empire Medical Training teams up with AMELCC to bring you 3 intense days of hands-on training in Mexico City, July 10th through 12th. Join us for our facial harmonization and regenerative medicine intensive training. During this fully immersive event, work on live models, master biostimulants, neurotoxins, fillers, and regenerative techniques, and learn directly from world-renowned experts. This power-packed training will refine your injection skills and take your patient care to new levels. Master advanced injection techniques, expand your regenerative medicine knowledge, and connect with some of the world's top aesthetics and functional medicine specialists in one of the most vibrant cities in the world. Enjoy incredible Mexican cuisine, discover the culture, and be inspired to make a true impact in the lives of your patients. Designed for NPs, PAs, and physicians, this exclusive training offers certification, expert instruction, and VIP networking, all in a world-class destination. Why wait to enhance your patient care? Spots are filling fast. Secure yours now. Call 844-565-3131 or visit empiremedicaltraining.com to register.